United Emirates. The total population of the UAE is 9.9910 million. You will see different numbers and different sources. You will get from 9.4 to 10.2 million, but let's say approximately 10 million is the total population of residents in the UAE, out of which 70% are male and 30% are female. And the reason is very simple. There are many men who come here to work without their families. Majority of the population are in the range of 25 to 55 years old, which are like 67% of the total population. And 11 or 12% are in the range of 15 to 25 years old. In terms of nationalities, Indians are having almost 28% of the total population, number one. Yeah, Indians win. Pakistanis are having almost 1.3 million population. Then you have Bangladesh, Philippines, Iran, Egypt, Nepal, Sri Lanka, and China, ranking from 1 to 8.
Filipino, there's 0.56 million. They're everywhere.
It should be at the count of India.
Yeah.
And India should be the
Filipinos you see everywhere. How they can be this much?
See, the population of Filipinos in 2021 actually reduced compared to 2019 and 2020. They were probably, most probably because of the COVID. Philippines, we had like 590,000 Filipinos in 2020, but in 2021 we have 560. So they are like 20 or 30,000 dirham, 20 or 30,000 people less. And that is definitely because of the COVID and losing the jobs.
And also this happened to Iranian as well. Iranian, by the time we had more population of Iran, but now it's reduced to 500.
See, about the Iranians, in 2007, when the population of Dubai was not more than 1.5 million, I remember we had 350,000 residents who were staying in the country. So that was like more than 20%, almost 25% of the population of Dubai was Iranians. But then later, after the global recession, global crisis, Iranians left, never came back. But now, since the beginning of last year, the government eased and opened the door for Iranians, for new Iranians to come to Dubai. So they came as investors, as business owners. Most of them, I would say 95% of Iranians, are coming as either property investors or business owners or both. And now you're looking at 480,000 Iranians. In terms of percentage, they are less compared to before, but in terms of population, it's almost double the 2004-2005. Population in Dubai is growing really fast. Almost, as you see, 88%, 89% are expats, and only 11% are Emiratis in the whole country. 11.5%, which is 1.1 million, only 1,150,000 of the population are Emiratis, and almost 9 million are expats who are living here, which simply means it's definitely the most welcoming country for expats all over the world, right? This is a chart of population growth from 2009 to 2020. You see how the population grew from 7.9 million to 10 million. The biggest growth was between 2009 to 2011, after the recession. So here you see the population of Dubai from 1992 to 2022. Over the past 30 years, you see how the population of the country. Down you have the annual population growth rate, and here you have the total population. 1992 you had less than 2 million people, 1.8, 1.9 million, and now you're looking at 10 million population. There is a forecast, there is a prediction. I was looking at the predictions of population on different sources on different websites. And majority of them are looking at not more than 11 to 12 million in the next 5 to 6 years. Okay, so the growth rate will not be as much as here, of course, right? So, yeah, the population was really, I mean, over the past 30 years, the population grew by 5 times. And the highest growth rate was here, from 2004 to 2010, where in 2009 we had the highest growth rate of more than 15, almost 20% increase year to year.